Today I finally got the keys to my dream house, and I haven't been here since the real estate agent showed me around, and I'm so excited because I don't really remember all the details about the place, so I'm going to take a look now. Come on! Here's the barn, and the guy who used to live here many years ago, he installed a shower, and here I can shower in front of all the wild boars and deers that lives here. And that's going to be a challenge since I'm planning to build a garden here, and the wild boars and deer are my biggest enemies. At the moment there is nothing here. I mean, there is a garden space, but it's nothing in it. The view is amazing though. This is a south-facing slope, so it's really a perfect climate here for growing stuff. And I have some wild roses and some thorn bushes and an elderberry and some tired apple trees. And this gigantic ash tree. And so there is no toilet here, but there is an outhouse. So the door is open. It's really, really old. Look at this. The grass is growing in. And it's quite obvious no one has been here for ages because it's so dirty. So many dead flies. Spider webs. These bushes are nice and green, and they have white flowers in the spring. They're really cute. But they have huge thorns. Look at this. I mean, it's quite big thorns. And also the wild boar hide in here. So I think I have to try to take this away to not have a sanctuary here for wild animals, even though I like them. In a way, I do not want them in my garden because they will eat all my plants, and the wild boars will just dig away everything I plant. So that can be a problem, but it's not a problem today, it's a later problem. So I don't know what this is. It's a huge hole here. Oh, I don't know if you see it. It's a huge hole. I don't know if it's a fox hole or some kind of other animal living here. And here is the house. I just love this. It's a traditional old Swedish house, and it has this red color like many Swedish houses have. And I think it's built 1929 or something like that. It's quite old. And the view is amazing. So there are some rhubarb and there are a few blackcurrant bushes here as well. They look quite tired as well, but maybe if I prune them next spring and give them some cow manure or something, maybe they will start growing better. At least they have some berries. And these are lilac bushes, and they're nice when they're blooming, but they're so big and they're just in front of the doorstep. So I won't have a great view from inside, and I think I will take them away somehow. Maybe not straight away, but I would prefer to see the landscape around here and this field. This part of the field is included in my property, and it's a south-facing slope, so it's really great for growing things. And up here there is an outdoor kitchen. Let's barbecue. I don't know if it's working. No one has used it for a very long time. Well, it seems quite rusty. It has broken. All of the inside is just gone. So probably this is just to throw away. Too bad. And here is a sink. And I think the water hose here, I don't know, there is a water well, a dug well, and I don't know if the water is drinkable, and probably it's not clean since no one has used it for quite a while, but I'll have to try to pump out all the water twice, 3 times, and clean it somehow inside, and then when that is done I can take a water sample, and then I'll find out if it's possible to drink that water or not. And then it's a small shed for firewood and stuff like that. So if you want to follow me on this journey, on this property with the garden and the house, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you like it. And I will see you next time. Bye!